This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Today I'm sharing another plant, a new plant. I don't know if I shared this with you guys or not. If I did, I apologize for sharing it again, but this plant my husband got me as a gift, and this plant is very, very delicate, succulent. I forgot the name of it. If any of you recognize this plant, please help me by offering to name it. All I know is I'm afraid to even put water on here because I do not want to overwater this plant. It has started to grow some new leaves already. And when he brung it home from the store, the soil was already damp, so I have not put any water. Let me do some pointing. What can I point with? I guess it'll be the straw. Okay, let me share the new growth. It is right, where is it? Right here. This leaf right here. Ooh, I better be careful. This plant is very delicate. That's a new leaf right there. And what else? Like I said, I forgot the name of it, but I don't think this plant likes a lot of water. And I don't have it in direct sun. I have it in direct sun. Seems to be okay. It hasn't drooped. I see a leaf broke off down there. But it hasn't drooped, and it's dirt all over it because I was putting dirt on something else and I dropped dirt on it. I have to get you could use like a paintbrush, a little delicate paintbrush, and some of the tools that, if some of you guys don't know, you can use paintbrushes and brush your plant off, and little squirt bottles. Eventually, after working with plants or dealing with house plants or outdoor house plants, you begin to pick up little ideals, nicks and knack ideals about how to do maintenance on your plant. Like I'm sharing my garden spa day with this plant in the kitchen sink, trying to get it cleaned up. Like I said, I don't know why I didn't bring the paintbrush in here with me. That's the whole idea. Not paint, well, you know, the little artist brush, paint brushes that you use when you make a picture, when you're painting a picture or something. And you just use a little delicate brush. Or if you got a little gentle air bottle, a can of air, you can just gently, spray it and dust it off. Don't use the vacuum. The vacuum cleaner would wreck it. Yeah, so I like this plant, and hopefully, as long as I treat it with respect, instance as what its needs are. Like I say, I don't have it in direct sun. It's an indirect sun. I'm not going to be watering it to death. I'm going to try and see the signs of when it might need some water. Will it start drying? It might start stripping up if it needs water. But right now, the leaves are very plump and juicy, meaning they're thick and full. So the plant is vibrant. Now, I'm going to share with you another plant. Hold on. Okay, this plant here is something that I propagated by simply cutting off part of the plant, and I just simply placed it in dirt. Not the leaf, but the stem. And so it's having a gardening spa day. This plant is delicate too. I have some twist ties on here to keep it to keep the stems from laying out. The weight of the leaves causes the branches, causes the branches to want to lean over. So to prevent that, I put some twist ties on there. I tied the twist ties on one of the other branches to give it some support. And I also, a bunch of the leaves did come off, like I said, it's delicate. I just stuck them in the dirt. And I put this little piece, I put this little rock in there, stone, to give the plant some more support so it'll stand up. It'll stand up straight. I love this plant. This is a jade, and it's not silvery. It used to be looking silvery. I even think this plant might flower too, but it's a jade, and it can be shaped to look a certain way. If you want to, remove some leaves and remove some branches, you can shape it into different animals or whatever type of figure you want it to look like. But I love this plant. I just wanted to come in here and share with you guys. This is a propagated jade, and it rained over here in Southern California, and it loved the rain, and it just grew like crazy. Now these leaves are firm and juicy. Look, that leaf there, let me see, where am I? Right there in front has some kind of pricks in it. Where's my poker? This leaf here, it has some design on the leaves. I don't know if you can really see it, but that's cute. It's like a pin has been poking right along the ridge of the leaf. Really cute. People that love plants be talking about the plants like that. But let me let you guys go. I don't want to make the video too long, but I appreciate the folks that do watch the entire video. But if you don't, please just hit the like button. Thank you guys. The ones that continue to watch my videos, thank you. And I am going around as often as much as I can to catch up with everybody else's channel. If I don't watch it with my eyes, your entire video is running till it is complete. Runs till it's complete, and also like the video. Now, if you can share the same equal support, I would appreciate it. If not, that's fine, but please like the video. Thanks, guys. Until the next time, happy gardening. Gardening Spirit Boosters, I cannot believe it. I have rooted some store-bought basil, excuse me. This is basil. Excuse all my junk down here. Miss Janita is still decluttering and organizing. Taking me forever, but I'm doing it at a snail's pace, but it's gonna get done. But look at the roots. I'm gonna have some I'm gonna have some basil. I'm so excited. I can't even talk. But look at the roots. Can you guys believe it? I just propagated it. It's put in some water, fresh from the store. It's been, I don't know, it's been about a week or so ago since I had put this basil in the water. But it rooted. I'm happy about that. I'm gonna put in some dirt. Let me share with y'all some other stuff I got going on. Thanks for your time and support.